Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Change engine oil and filter every 500 miles or 12 months to protect bearings and turbochargers. Use high-quality synthetic 0W30 or 5W30 oil as recommended for your Mini Cooper engine, and always replace the oil filter at the same service. Replace spark plugs every 60,000 miles to maintain combustion efficiency and fuel economy, and use the OEM gap specification. Inspect cooling system and replace coolant every 4 years to prevent overheating, corrosion, and water pump failure. Flush radiator and check hoses and clamps. Replace valve cover gasket and oil filter housing gasket at first signs of seepage to avoid oil loss and contaminated intake components. Change brake fluid every 2 years and inspect pads and rotors every 10,000 miles for wear. Bleeding fluid with DOT4 spec maintains braking feel and safety. Inspect suspension bushings and replace worn control arm bushings to reduce uneven tire wear, steering play, and premature ball joint failure. Also measure tire tread and alignment annually and rotate tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles for even life. Install upgraded rubber engine mounts and transmission mount to reduce vibration and premature wear on drivetrain components, especially on high-mileage cars. Use OEM or high-quality filters and synthetic oil to extend component life and protect turbochargers and fuel systems. Good air and cabin filters keep contaminants out of sensors. Keep ECU and transmission software updated and check for technical service bulletins at each major service interval to prevent known issues. A dealer or independent mini specialist can apply updates and record service history for resale value.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.